Today I'm making a bacon, egg, cheese, and toast breakfast sandwich. It's gonna be good. To start, I'm going to cook the bacon. 4 to 5 slices of thick cut bacon works for 2 sandwiches. You'll want to start with a cold pan. Doing this will render more fat. So after I place all slices of bacon into my cast iron skillet, I'm going to turn on the heat, and I'll be using a medium heat to cook the bacon. You don't want to do this on high because the bacon will burn before it has a chance to cook through. While my bacon continues to cook, I'm going to work on my mayonnaise chipotle sauce. Here I'm using about a 1/3 cup of mayo. I'm actually eyeballing this, but hopefully these ratios help you out. Here 2 to 3 tablespoons of Mexican crema, which is a table cream. I'm also adding some chipotle pepper in adobo sauce. And like I said, the ratios are up to you and to your preference. This is sort of what I do when I make this. Now, once everything is into my food processor, I'm just going to blend and puree. And that's it. It's as easy as that, and this is great for burgers or sandwiches. So my bacon is done. It's nice and crispy. I've already created the chipotle mayo sauce, which is really delicious. And I'll be using processed American cheese. Use the cheese of your choice. This is what I'm working with today. Here I have bread. The bread of your choice works for this. And I am going to be using the rendered bacon fat. This is what I'm going to toast my bread with on a preheated griddle. You could also use butter, but I like bacon grease. And also you could reserve this for flour tortillas. That definitely works as well. Okay, so onto my preheated griddle over medium heat, I'm adding a tablespoon or so of this bacon fat and my 2 slices of bread. And I'm just going to gradually toast the exterior. The amounts that I'm giving you today, it's good for 2 breakfast sandwiches. So in a small pan, I'm going to add some butter. This is salted butter, just a little bit, melt it down. And I'm going to start cooking my egg. Now you could scramble 2 large eggs for 2 breakfast sandwiches if you like scrambled eggs, but I'm going with an over medium to over well done egg. So I'm just going to crack the egg right into the melted butter and just cook. You could salt and pepper the egg, but the butter was salted, so I'm going to skip out on the salt and just cook to your desired doneness. I'm also going to add a slice of the American cheese right on top of the egg. I already turned the heat off. The residual heat will help melt the cheese. And for dramatic thumbnail purposes, I'm going to add an extra layer of that processed cheese, but typically 1 slice of cheese works for the sandwich. So now that everything is cooked and toasted, it's time to put this together. I love the sound of the toasty exterior of this sandwich. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching!